Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn vocabulary words. As an English learner, you sometimes experience a problem when you are reading something or even when you are having a conversation with people, and even sometimes when you are listening to a podcast or other video file. This problem is vocabulary. Now, we are going to learn today some of the words which you can use in many ways. Now, first word which we are going to learn today is amaze. Amaze means to surprise somebody very much. Now, how you can use this word in a sentence? I am amazed at how well your little girl can read. Amaze. Amaze meaning in Hindi is चौंका देने वाला. Right, student? Now, the second word today we are going to learn is curious. Curious meaning is wanting to know or learn something. Curious meaning in Hindi is utsuk. Now, how we can use this word in a sentence? He was curious to know how the machine worked. Now, second sentence we can make is babies are curious about everything around them. Sometimes you all are very curious to know that what your parents have brought today at home. When your father is coming, you all are very curious कि अरे आज पापा क्या लेके आए हैं, कुछ तो नया लेके आए होंगे. You all are very curious, no? Or when your guest come at your home, your buas or someone, your elder brother or sister come to your home, then you all are very curious na to know अरे क्या गिफ्ट लेके आए होंगे, right? So that is curiosity. Now, the third word which we are going to learn is expert. Expert meaning in Hindi is Visheshak. Expert, a person who has a lot of special knowledge or skill. Now, how you will use this word in a sentence? My mother is an expert at dressmaking. Another sentence you can make, the competition will be judged by a panel of experts. Now, the fourth word we are going to learn is insist. Insist meaning in Hindi is जोर देना. Insist, to say strongly that you must have or do something. Now, how you will use this word in a sentence? My parents insist me to come home early. Now, whenever you insist your parents to get something or when your parents insist you to do something, तो that is called insist. जोर देना, किसी भी बात पर जोर देना. Okay? Now, the fifth word we are going to learn is helpful. Student, helpful. This word you are very familiar with this word. Most of the time we are using this word. Helpful. Help. Right? Helpful means giving help. When we are giving help to any needy person or poor people, you must have seen that your parents are also helping to poor people. They are giving something to them and they are saying to you also to help whenever any person is in need. That is called help or helpful. Now, how you will use this word in sentence? She is such a helpful child. Right? Good. Now, the sixth word we are going to learn is friendly. Friendly means behaving in a kind and open way. How you will use this word in a sentence? Our neighbors have always been very friendly towards us. You must have seen that your neighbors are very friendly to your parents, है ना? they used to help also. They are very they are, most of the time you have seen that they are talking, they are very friend. Okay. Now peeking. Peeking means to look at something quickly and secretly. Now how you will use this word in a sentence? The children peeked over the wall to see where the ball had gone. Means whenever the ball has gone somewhere, what the children do? They peek ना, वो देखते हैं, झांकते हैं कि अरे हमारी बॉल किधर चली गई. That is called peeking, peek or peeked. Shivered. Shivered means to shake slightly. Students, whenever you feel cold, how you feel? Shivered होते आप लोग. Shivering means ठिठुरना, कांपना. Right? Now, how you will use this word in a sentence? She shivered and gathered the blanket around us. Right? Very good. Today we are going to learn these words. Now, in our next video, we are going to learn more